counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly. Made some.
What it do, man? We back out here on this slab. Getting to it, man. We been ripping, running. Man, just picked up some more car show flyers, man. Picked up another 2-pack of these. And finna head and drop some off. Some flyers and a poster down at my people's shop. Restaurant, not a shop. Down here in Southaven, Mississippi, man. Y'all ever come down here, man, make sure y'all holler at them at LA 91. We'll be up there in a second, man. Yeah, trying to beat all this rush hour traffic, man. It's 2:45. So I'm making good timing, man. We'll drop these off. Then we gotta hit the Jerry Peak shop. So, man, I done been by Mama Ward. I done been by BJ's shop. Had to make a stop out in Cordova. Then I just left. I don't know what you want to call this over off of Elvis Presley. So I done went from my crib to Olive Branch to Collierville to another spot in Collierville, from Collierville to Cordova, from Cordova to out here off Elvis Presley and Brooks, Elvis Presley and Brooks to Southaven, Mississippi, from Southaven to Olive Branch, man. That's where I be headed. We got to stop by Jerry. That'll be my last stop, man. Got to get some gas and stop by Jerry, man. We put some miles on this thing today, boy. We put some miles on it. Damn, did I pay by my... Yeah, I done paid by my turn. Talking to y'all, goddamn. I done came all the way down here to the Lender Center, man. Talking with y'all, man. I'm finna get off right here at the Lender Center. I gotta turn around and go back up. But I ain't tripping, though. I ain't tripping. I supposed to been got off on Goodman Road. I'm all the way down here at Church Road, man. But this what y'all will be getting off, man. If y'all coming from the north, headed south, you'll be getting off on exit 287, man, Church Road. That'll lead you right there to the Lender Center, man. So keep it locked. We'll be up here at LA 91 in a second. All right. Yeah, we moving around today, man. Moving around, bringing the poster down here to the sound shop, SRE Customs, down here in Olive Branch, Mississippi. Y'all need that work, man. Y'all know that's who did the system for Cayenne, man. SRE Customs. Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, 662-782-7027, man. Right down here in Olive Branch, Mississippi. Go in here and holler at Jerry real quick. All right. Hey, what's up, man? 78 Chevy boy. We down here in Olive Branch at SRE Customs, man. Down here with my guy Jerry and my man Steven. Steven over there working. But I just want to tell y'all, man, this one right here, this is another promotion for the car show. May 16th, CNC number 5, man. Car show number 5 is going down, and SRE, it will be in the building, man. They always support me. They come through and do their thing. And one thing I wanted to let y'all know, to all my base heads, man, if you want the discounted tickets will be here at SRE Customs in Olive Branch. You must come down here to see Jerry. You cannot pull up to the gate the day of the show saying you're a base head and you want the discount. You gotta come through Jerry, man. So if you need your tickets, make sure you holler at him. And not only can you get your tickets here, and we got the show going on, everybody know, and if you don't know, we do giveaways at my show. And this year, Jerry and SRE Customs, they are part of the giveaway. They are giveaway sponsors this year, and they're giving away a 0-gauge amp kit, man. SRE Custom 0-gauge amp kit will be given away at 6 o'clock when we do the giveaway ceremony. And this is a good amp kit, man. Good amp kit. So make sure y'all come out to the show. Hold on to your ticket stubs so you can have a chance of winning when we do the ceremony. So we're going to talk to Jerry, see what Jerry got to say. let y'all know anything he got going on down here at the shop, and we'll be back in a minute.
As everybody knows, Percy show is in mid-May, and because of the 2 shows we got coming up, which is Rocks on April 4th and yours, I'm booked out.
Okay.
I don't have no availability to even put a radio in.
Okay.
We are slammed because of these 2 guys, and we look forward to their show every year. We come out, we have fun, and y'all need to do the same thing. It is some of the funnest shows that I've been to.
Thank you, man.
We go out, we show out, we have fun, we talk to a lot of people. We go out and we see the cars. I love seeing old school cars. There's a lot of them there. And hopefully this time next year I have me one too.
Cool. And another thing, I don't mean to cut you off.
Go ahead.
But they are doing demos. That's what I love it. They come out there and do demos. And I heard Jerry say it before. We don't do 15 second. We don't do 30-second demos or something. You said we do full song demos, man. So
back to back. One get out, nothing get in. We keep going.
Y'all hear it, man. They gonna do it, man. Anything else you want to drop?
I guess that's it.
Okay. So we down here, man. Full. If you want anything audio done, like I said before, he's the one that done my system in Cayenne, man. Very satisfied, very professional, neat work. Nothing to worry about. Y'all know if I'm vouching for him, man, you ain't got to do them a call him and come get that work done. Like he got boxes here going out of town. You know what I'm saying? People coming from out of town and everything to get this work, man. So right here in house, let them know you got speakers.
We got amps. We got wire by the foot. Wire kits. We got everything.
Okay.
We got stuff that most shops around here don't even carry. We carry lithium batteries. We got HM batteries from small to big. Battery terminals.
You got chargers too?
We got our own battery chargers. We got our 14.8 AGM lithium chargers. We got our 15.5 lithium chargers.
Okay.
Our own brands. We got Bluetooth turn on and off switches.
Okay.
With the remotes and stuff, so you're able to turn those on and off. A lot of stuff.
Right.
We got speaker wire from 16 gauge, 14 gauge, 12 gauge, 10 gauge, 8 gauge, power wire, 0 gauge, 4 gauge, all of it.
Everything you need right here, SRE Customs, man. Make sure y'all come down here and holler at my people, and they definitely gonna take care of you. Tell them 780 Chevy Boy sent you, man. So until the next video, y'all stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man. We'll see y'all May 16th. All right.